Hi, my name is Josh, and I'm going to do a tutorial on Buncee. This tool can be used for classrooms, teaching scenarios, or even on professional settings, because you can share it to teams and create a meeting to use what you create here um, for your work. So here on your Buncees, you have your created Buncees. You can create a new one. You can start from scratch, or you can pick from hundreds of templates that they provide, and you can click on any of one of them, and it'll start the template for you. So this is what you could use. I have started one already. As you can see, I started something out for around a grocery store. So on the left-hand side, so you have your pages where you can have your different where you want to show different things, and you can add new ones if you need more pages. On the right-hand side, you have your items. Each item is individually on the page. As you can see, this man is not actually wearing an apron, so we can put that back there. Different things you can do with your objects is that you can link your image to something. You can put audio into an image, change the opacity. You can duplicate it, you can flip it or reverse it. You can also send it to the front, or bring it to the front, or bring it to the back. And so if you have changes that you don't like, you can undo them all and put it back to the way it was. So that's things you can do. You can duplicate your page or delete your page if you don't need it anymore. If you want to add new items, you click the plus button here. And then you have all these different options where you can use text, shapes, drawings. You can add animations that they provide, stickers, and they have hundreds of stickers for you want, and then you can search for what you're looking for, and it'll provide a whole list. Messages, emojis. You can also search from the web to bring up different examples of what you're looking for. You can embed a YouTube video, or you can bring in images that you have from your own self. Close that. Once you've completed your Buncee, you can then preview it. Once you're previewing your Buncee, this is what your students or class could see, and you can have it play automatically. You can add a timer and increase that timer as much as you want, and then you could loop your Buncee as well if you would like, and it could also go to full screen. That's how to make a Buncee, and hopefully that'll show you how it's useful in your line of work. Thank you.